Namaste and warm welcome to video lecture series of Kriya Sharit. As we are in the mid of COVID-19 crisis, so our endeavor is to support students in their studies. Further, we also want to maintain teaching and evaluation process without disruption. This video lecture is presented by Department of Kriya Sharit of Shri Ram Ayurved Medical College and Hospital, Meerut, UP. Let's understand what medical student supposed to learn in this academic career through Buddha's four noble truths. These noble truths are: there is a suffering in the world. Second, there is a cause for every suffering. Third, cessation of every suffering is possible. And last, there is a solution or way to end this suffering. So, in first year BMS, students start learning about suffering, the nature of suffering, and Kriya Sharir helps them to understand it. Further, from BMS second year, students try to understand the cause of suffering through the subjects like Nidan Eva Vikruti Vigyan. Again, from BMS third year onwards, they get knowledge about third and fourth noble truth of Buddha, that is, cessation of suffering is possible and suffering can be cured through chikitsa, panchakarma, shalya, shalakya, etc. So, here I have summarized what students going to learn and what they should strive for. Now, let's start with the basic question: why one should learn Kriya Sharit? The simple answer is that knowledge of Kriya Sharit is prerequisite to achieve the ultimate goal of Ayurveda, that is, प्रयोजनं चास्य स्वास्थ्यस्य स्वास्थ्यरक्षणं आतुरस्य विकारप्रशमनं च. So, according to Acharya Charak, the utility of this science, that is Ayurveda, is to maintain the health of healthy individual and cure the diseased one. Further, to highlight the importance of knowledge of Kriya Sharit, Charak Acharya says that the physician who always having complete knowledge of function of the entire body brings happiness to this world. Now, after understanding the importance of Kriya Sharit, let's learn about what is Kriya Sharit. In, sim- in simple terms, it is the knowing about function of body and mind. Acharyas of Ayurveda explain the function of body through doshas, dhatus, and malas. I will be discussing them in elaborately in upcoming video lectures. Again, Kriya Sharir, we are going to discuss the interdependence of the body and mind. According to Ayurveda, the definition of healthy individual is समदोषा समग्निश्च समधातु मलक्रिया प्रसन्न आत्मेन्द्रियमना स्वस्थ इत्याभिधीयते. Here, Ayurveda emphasizes on healthy mind along with the healthy body. Today, we are witnessing that people are facing anxiety, depression, and sense of insecurity because of COVID-19 pandemic, and this is negatively affecting their health. This describes or emphasizes the importance of healthy mind. Now, let me turn to our main subject. Let me turn to our main subject, that is Kriya Sharir. Kriya Sharir subject is divided in two papers. Each paper is having part A and B. Part A deals with the Ayurveda, while part B deals with the modern physiology. Further, each paper is of 100 marks. Here I have given Link of syllabus for further reference. According to Sushruta, complete physician is the one who is having theory as well as practical knowledge. Here in Shri Ram Ayurved Medical College, we have well-equipped physiology lab for students. We conduct following modern and Ayurvedic practicals in our lab, like examination of respiratory system, examination of cardiovascular system, examination of digestive system, etc. Now, let me explain the importance of interlinking of different subjects. Ayurveda subjects can't be understood standalone. Every subject is interdependent. Hence, Kriya Shari subject needs other subjects like the subject Kriya Sanskrit for understanding the original text. The subject Padarth Vigyan help us to understand the logic like Karya Karan Bhav, etc. The subject Rachana Shari, it is a companion of Kriya Shari and it benefits mutually. And let me come to the Ashtanga Hridaya. Its syllabus overlaps with the syllabus of Kriya Shari and it also helps to understand the concept like Ahar, Vihara, which are very crucial to understand Kriya Shari. Here I have summarized the introduction to Kriya Shari. I extend my gratitude to our principal sir for their support in this endeavor. I would like to end my lecture with the verse that Natvaham kamay rajyam na swargam na punarbhavam kamay dukkhaptanam praninam artinashanam. Thank you.